Hello, children. Yesterday we discussed right about I have given some work. Please check out that answers what I have given. Now I'm going to give that all answers. Just check it out. What are the answers you have written? I hope you have written on your own with the help of dictionary. Okay, let's check out. Look at the list of adjectives given below in the box. Which of them describe Nikki Vujicic? Tick a right mark there. See, he is positive. He is positive, tick marks, and he is optimistic. He is optimistic, and he is generous. Are you getting my point? I am giving in order, so check it out properly. He is confident. He is confident, and he is smart. He is smart, and he is sociable. Next, he is courageous. He is reliable. He is independent. He is obedient. He is valiant. He is creative. And he is level-headed. And level-headed. These are the positive attitudes of Nikki Vujicic. Okay. I hope you have done the same. If you have gone mistake, it's not an issue. Please, you have to learn more. That's it. You have to learn from your mistakes. Okay. Now explanations and attributions. Example from the lesson. Okay. Pick out from the text the examples that supports these attributes. First one is positive, and the second one is optimistic. 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 Blue color won't appear on that. That's why I have chosen another color. So he always thinks. He try again and again. He wants to correct just one person. Then his job has done. This is optimistic nature. Is he always thinks. He always thinks. Understand? And he try again and again. He try again, again and again. This is what. Next, generous. Next, generous. Generous. Next, confident. Next, smart. Next, sociable. Next, sociable. Next, courageous. courageous. Next, independent. Independent. Next, obedient. Obedient, creative. See, these all are the words which every word, every word has an explanation. Every word has an explanation from your text. I hope you all will get this all. Understand? Generous and generous, confident, smart, sociable. These all are the words. You can get those all words, all answers you can get from your text. If I have started writing this all, then you will get a lot of time. Okay, let us continue with this all again. Or else, do one thing. I'll give you. It takes time even. I'm ready to give you. Guys, don't get confused. Generous. He works to the people. He works to the people. To the people. That's what generous and confident. Confident. He gains faith. He gains faith and tries to motivate people. And smart. He appears to be smart and shows his cleverness in learning. He shows his cleverness in learning. Sociable. He is very friendly with all. Courageous. He was not stopped. Not not stopped by his disability. Yes or no? Independent. He did the things independently what he wanted to. He did the things did the things independently. What he need. Obedient. He accepted. He accepted his birth. He accepted his birth. That is very unlucky. It's very unlucky. Creative. He plays and he swims and he serves some water. This all shows his creativity. Yes or no? Next. Next, let us go through this. Water sports. Yesterday we discussed about this first one and second one. Akd. He, the meanings of the words kept and distraught, anxious, and bullying, humiliation. I hope you have already searched these all words in that dictionary. But even though I have to say, next mobility, movement, and adversity, difficulties, convictions, beliefs. Okay. Next, the words are comfortable. These I'm giving you numbers. I'm giving you numbers for the words here. Boorish. Ashok is a very unpleasant and rude fellow. I don't talk to him. He is boorish. He is boorish. Number two, Srinu is very confident, elegant, and polite, but sometimes he does not appear to be sincere. He is suave. He is suave. I hope you understand that number. Sujata is quiet and calm. She doesn't like to spend time with others. She is interested in her thoughts and feelings. She is an introvert. Right? Like this, I'm giving you answers. Ramesh is very sensitive, always shows sympathy for the people who are suffering. He is compassionate. He is compassionate. Next, my neighbor is such a person that he has a feeling of hatred of others. He decides to hurt others' feelings. He is malicious. He is malicious. I think your answers are getting correct because you have used dictionary. Okay. Next. Next. My father pays careful attention and every detail he makes thorough planning for everything in our home. He is meticulous. He is meticulous. I'm writing because the word is not there in our on our screen. So I'm writing what you can write down. Next, Prem is an extremely unpleasant person. He always tries to offend people. He is obnoxious. is obnoxious. The word is there up in the box. My mother is very calm and peaceful. She doesn't get excited or irritated easily. She is placid. She won't get that much easily irritated. All parents are like that. Rahul is a very lively and confident person. He enjoys being with his friends. He is an extrovert. He is an extrovert, opposite of introvert. Sridhar is always afraid of speaking in the class. He is timid. He is timid. I hope without dictionary you can do this last. Okay, these are the words. Let's continue to the grammar. What grammar was there? What grammar was there? Okay, this defining and non-defining relative classes. I said to find 5 examples. I said to find 5 examples from your lessons, right? Okay, I have given yesterday Nick, who was born, Nick, comma, who was born in Melbourne. That I have given already, comma, Australia. Sentence is there, right? So you can continue the sentence as your non-defining class. Why? How did you did identify? Yes, it is giving extra information about Nick with commas. Okay, like that. You can write one more. Nick has a small foot on his left hip, which helps him balance and enables him to kick. This sentence is a lesson first page itself, page 1 in the beginning. Nick has only, that is what defining relative class. That is what defining, because there won't be any comma. That is what defining relative class. Next, and again one more defining relative class is here. Her mother, his mother invented a plastic device that meant he could hold a pen. Understand? It's a big sentence. This sentence also you can write plastic device. I'm writing shortcut. Plastic device. Here it is showing that without any comma or something. Means that means he could hold pen or pencil. He could hold pen or pencil. That's also a defining relative class. Next, he read newspaper article when he was 13 years old. That paragraph, a newspaper article about a disabled man. A disabled man. I think it is in third page. Using disabled man. There it was giving information about who had. This sentence will be defining relative class. We are using who. Next, another. It is in second page again. Nick's parents made a decision. A decision which have been the best. Which have been the best. It is giving information but not extra information. It is defining what kind of decision it is. Best decision. I hope you understand, my dear children. And again, the following part is here. Yesterday I hope I have said this is the peaceful place that is liked by everybody, that this is the place that I like so much, which is beautiful also you can write, which is comfortable, which is very rocky, like that you can write. The Mahaprasthanam is popular book which I have bought in Hyderabad, which I like most, which I like most, or which I bought in Hyderabad. Next, Suresh, who is my cousin, comma here, who is my friend, why cousin only, friend, has left the this is what, comma, you can identify, this is non-defining relative class. Is this the street? Is this the street where the library is? Are you getting my point? Is this the street where my friend lives in? Is this the street which who can sell the meat, like that, understand? Which is my friend's house, or else who sells meat, sorry, not who, where sells meat. Did you get the point? As it is what I have written, the answers won't be matched with you, right? The express which runs from Hyderabad to Mumbai has just arrived. The express which is very uh, which is very costly fare will be available, has just arrived. The express which goes very slowly has just arrived. Understand? The express which is which is in blue color has just arrived. Has just arrived. I hope you understand, my dear children. Now about the biographical sketch. Yesterday I have given a little information, and I said I will explain later on. Later on, in the sense, especially for discourses, there will be a session. At the time, we can go on about it. Okay. The study skills you have to do, my dear children. I hope you have done already. I hope you have done. That won't be given in your. These all answers won't be given. That listening part can be explained when next session will be started. Okay. I hope you have already done these all works from the beginning to the end. Okay. This is for today, and thank you very much.